Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're diving into a smart finance showdown between Docyt AI and HubDoc. HubDoc. If you're tired of drowning in receipts and spreadsheets, this video will help you decide which tool can actually save your sanity. Let's get started. When we look at what you're focused on, Docyt AI has AI-powered bookkeeping and accounting automation as its main focus, while HubDoc has document collection and receipt management. When we look at their AI capabilities, Docyt AI automates reconciliation, categorization, and financial insights, while HubDoc extracts data from receipts, bills, and bank statements. When we look at who or what they are best for, Docyt AI is best for businesses wanting full accounting automation, while HubDoc is best for accountants and small teams needing simple document capture. When we look at the ease of use, Docyt AI has a modern AI dashboard. It is powerful but advanced, while HubDoc is very user-friendly and allows quick uploads. Lastly, pricing. Docyt AI has premium pricing but end-to-end automation, while HubDoc is affordable and has add-on to existing accounting tools. Here's the deal. Docyt AI is like having an AI accountant on your team, automating bookkeeping, reconciling accounts, and giving real-time insights. HubDoc, on the other hand, is the ultimate document collector. It grabs receipts, bills, and statements, then pushes them straight into your accounting software. So the choice is simple. You can choose Docyt AI for automation powerhouse or choose HubDoc for document and receipt wizard. Both save time, but if you want full AI bookkeeping, go for Docyt. If you just need streamlined document management, HubDoc is your guy. So, are you team Docyt AI or team HubDoc? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick finance battles. Only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.